What could all these bolts be for, I hear you ask? Well, of everything we could possibly use them for, how about making a chair? With a circle template drawn, the crafter assembles them all together and then joins them one by one. Oof, that's bright. Feels like I'm in a nightclub. Of course, fitting pointy shapes into a circle won't work, so now we have to cut off the edges. Looks like a giant wafer. Now for some serious DIY, bending this pipe into a circle. The crafter places it around the bolts and gets cutting. Then he fixes it in place and has no choice but to smash the bolts until they slot inside. Then he grinds it all down to even out the surface on the top. Doesn't look much like a chair yet though. The crafter continues neatening up the bolts, cleaning the inside threads. Wow, okay, can't wait to see what he's going to do with these. Looks like he's welding the wheels onto the corners of pipe, then trimming away the excess parts. The crafter inserts a pipe into a cross joint and then drills a hole. Next, he welds in a vertical piece. This is going to become the support and base of our chair. Then time for some more mess and another crossbar. Next, we want to take a screw, clean it up, and then attach it to the handle of a tap. A wire brush is great for old recycling crafts. And now he's building a lightsaber? Looks like a handle that Luke would use. He's putting together more sections of piping to create a rectangle. This will become the footrest for the chair. You'll see in a minute. The final part won't fit. Gotta trim it down, and then crank it into place. We've almost got all of our pieces ready to go. Last but not least, we need the main support column. It's getting a bolt on one end, and then a screw on the other. Okay, I think we're all set. Let's build this thing. These pipes join to create the base, with the wheels on the ends. On goes the footrest, and then the top. There we go! An industrial-looking chair made from recycled bolts and piping. The tap lets you control the height of the footrest, and the top screws up and down to change height. Plus, it's super fun to spin on. What do you think of this recycled chair? Let us know in the comments, and follow for more videos.